And welcome to this week's What's Hot, and we're into our third week of the lockdown, and there's been plenty of podcasts and Zoom hookups to entertain us, which makes me think about the logistics of the world's oldest profession. I am, of course, talking about carpentry. Well, following on from last week's COVID investor opportunity special, there was a lot of whingers amongst you who complained that I hadn't, in fact, covered everyone that deserved mentioning. So let me direct you to this beauty, which certainly does. It's been created by Vox Markets. It's the Vox COVID-19 Crusaders Index. It's acknowledging 23 UK companies. It says are well placed to trade strongly through the coronavirus pandemic, including healthcare companies, tech companies involved with remote working, support services companies such as those involved with distance learning and e-sports platforms. It's excellent and also features most of the companies featured in my previous videos. More attention is being paid to the listed companies involved in the ventilator making consortium such as Babcock. Also, let's stay with the Bs to appease the more autistic or regimented amongst you. I'm talking about Bidstack. It's gaining traction. It's the in-game advertising platform, and it's delivering the government health message: stay in, save lives. And here's the Google Doodle reinforcing that message. Now, Avation has at long last released some long-awaited news. In fact, two RNSs. It is the commercial aircraft leasing company. It's saying that it's considering a sale or a merger. Plus, there was a trading update. Avation says it has enough cash to last over a year and that it is giving short-term financial relief to some of its clients. In other aviation news, Airbus has said that it has paused production at a manufacturing facility in the US, as well as adapting activity at two sites in Germany in response to COVID-19. US aviation giant Boeing, it stopped production of its long-haul Dreamliner series in South Carolina, again due to the coronavirus crisis. Now, some involved with the beleaguered aviation sector are finding other vocations, such as this former BA pilot who is a delivery driver at Tesco. Now, Tesco is the big trading update this week. It's on Wednesday. So all the frontline workers at supermarkets certainly get a big round of applause from me. Now, in terms of stay-at-home advice, which we are all following, because by staying at home, we are giving our loved ones the gift of health. But perhaps further incentivization to stay at home could come from the insurance industry. Should we lobby our insurers to follow the lead being taken by the US insurance companies? So, for those in quarantine, they receive refunds and the rest get 15% discounts on their premiums. That's nice. As is this. This is something that's doing the rounds. It's making me smile. Keep smiling. I'll be back, same time next week.
Okay, all right. Whew. I gotta catch my breath for a second. Okay, what is the difference between Dubai and Abu Dhabi? The people in Dubai don't like the Flintstones, but the people in Abu Dhabi do.